Stage 1. Go. Stage 4. End stage 4. Go. Stage 6. Go. Stage 8. Halfway. Go. Stage 17. Halfway.
1, 2, 3.
End stage 17. Go. Stage 24. End stage 24. End stage 26. End stage 28.
Come on, you got it! Oh, that's push.
Go. Stage 30. End stage 30.
At what point during the test is it hardest?
Once you reach that 20 mark, like you know you can make the next 10, but it like psychs you out and you get really tired at the 20. So you usually take your break in the 20s, and then you know like once you take your break, you're usually good. But like near like the 26 mark, it's the hardest. But like if you push through it, you'll make it.
Okay. And so the team is really cheering everybody on near the end. What does that do for you when you're doing it?
Some of the teammates even run with you near the end, and that actually really motivates you. Like I had someone run with me for the last like 3, and knowing they're running by my side, it made me push harder just to know that I could make it in the end, and that's why I did. I made it in the end because of them.
This morning we were running our second installment of the yo-yo intermittent recovery test level 1. We were trying to test the anaerobic endurance of the girls. We tested them earlier before camp started to kind of see where we are, and then we retested those later on to kind of see where we are right now and what we got to do to continue to build that over the course of the season.